Hi, to start workout on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Active, as a first step, simply swipe up from the watch case to open the apps list. Here, just find the workout app, tap it, and you'll see many options for the workout. You can also go in the more section and check even more sports and more options for the workout. For example, let's select the dance. Here, tap the dance, and now to start your workout, you'll need to tap this yellow button go, and after 3 seconds it will be started. And yes, here it is. So here you can see the time of your training, calories you burned, BPM. If you swipe left, you'll be able to play music as well and control your music here, so you can skip to the next song using this button, go to the previous with the help of this button. Here you can adjust the volume and play or pause songs. So just swipe right to go back to this setting and then swipe again to pause or end this workout. If you pause it, just tap it and you'll be able to resume it later by tapping this option. Now to end your workout, you just need to simply tap on this square like that and hold your finger till the line will be completed. As you can see, it is too short to record, but I don't mind it, so I'm gonna end it. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.